In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order Walmart bakery cake. We'll go from opening your browser to paying for your custom cake so you can pick it up on the date that works for you without missing any important details. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Walmart. In the search results, click the official Walmart website. You'll recognize it by the walmart.com address and the familiar blue logo on the homepage. When the site loads, sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In option near the top of the page and click it. Enter the email address or mobile phone number linked to your account, then select Continue. On the next screen, type your password and choose Sign In. If you've forgotten your password, use the Reset option so you can get back into your account before moving on. With your account ready, hover your mouse over the Services menu in the main navigation. A list of subcategories will appear. Choose the one related to the bakery or cakes so you can see the available options. Browse the selections and click the specific cake you want. Take a moment to read the description for size, flavor, serving count, and any special notes. On the product page, customize your cake. Pick the size and flavor, select frosting and filling if offered, choose colors or themes, and add an inscription. Carefully check spelling and character limits so your message appears exactly as you intend. When you're satisfied with the customization, click Checkout. You'll be prompted to enter a zip code so Walmart can locate the store that will fulfill your order. Enter your zip code and confirm the pickup location that's most convenient for you. Next, schedule the pickup time and date. Keep in mind that custom cakes often require lead time, so choose a slot that gives the bakery enough time to prepare your order. Once selected, click Checkout to continue. Before you pay, review every detail: the chosen store, pickup date and time, cake size and flavor, inscription, quantity, and the total price. Make sure your contact information is correct in case the bakery needs to reach you. If everything looks right, click Checkout to complete your payment and place the order. You'll receive an order confirmation in your account and by email. Save it and bring it to pickup. Arrive on time, and if you need changes, contact the store as early as possible. That's all it takes to order a Walmart bakery cake confidently from start to finish.